Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Allison. Let's get started in a gentle yoga chair video. Before we start, have a seat. Sit comfortably with your legs slightly open, hip distance apart. You can rest your hands on your knees. You want to make sure that you're sitting up straight. And just take this time and inhale and exhale out of your nose. And just get settled in before we get started. Now let's get started with some neck rotation. And you just want to rotate your neck from side to side. Make sure that you're very gentle with yourself. There's no need to rush. And you just want to rotate your neck from left to right. Now we're going to just do a little movement in our shoulders. You're going to rotate your shoulder up to your ears and back. And allow your hands to rotate down your legs. And you're going to rotate it. Rotate your shoulders up to your ears and forward. This will help loosen up any stiffness that's in your shoulders. And again, make sure that you're breathing in through your nose and out of your nose. Now extend your arms out and move one arm to the side. And do what feels comfortable to you. If you can only move it to the side or back, that's absolutely okay. Just listen to your body and stop if you're feeling any discomfort. And this helps greatly with your shoulders, opening up your arms. Now reach your arms up and over your head. Again, you want to make sure that you're breathing. And this workout routine is to help loosen up your upper body. Now raise one arm up and lean over to the opposite side. You're going to rest the other arm on the opposite leg. And you're just going to stretch. These are just some gentle side exercises, side stretching, I should say. And we're going to repeat it on the opposite side. Raise your arm up and over your head and stretch to the opposite side. Just get the blood flowing. And we're going to do some rotations from our waist. And you're just going to fold your arms together, placing one arm over the next. And then you're going to rotate from the waist. Now we're going to get the juices flowing in our wrists. Place your hands together and rotate your wrists. And go the opposite way. Now we're going to stretch out our fingers Always listen to your body and stretch as far as what is comfortable for you. And place the the back of your hands together, and we're just going to rotate it forward. And the opposite way. And you could do these exercises sitting at your sofa, at the edge of your bed, just wherever you find a comfortable place where you can have a seat. All right, now we're going to do a few rounds of cat and cow. Place your hands on your knees and just stretch forward and then back. Rounding at your upper body, your shoulders and your neck. And move it backwards. All right, we're going to place our hands up over our heads, and then we're going to fold forward and come back up. Hands over our heads, down, touch our feet. And if you can't touch your feet, touch your knees, touch your ankle, touch your thighs. It's whatever feels comfortable for you. And if you can only do one or two, that's okay. Again, always listen to your body. So if one or two is enough for you, then that's absolutely fine. Now we're just going to gently just march in place. This workout is great for beginners, seniors, those of us that are over the age of 50, or for beginners, or even for individuals that just don't like to get on the floor. Now, just move your knees up to your chest, and we're going to rotate our foot one way, and then we're going to reverse it. And we're just going to do a little pointing and flexing with our foot. Repeat it on the next side, the opposite side. This workout is great first thing in the morning, or if you've been sitting for quite some time. Now we're just going to do some heel raises. This is great for your calves. And you scoot up to the edge of your chair and just raise up on your toes. Now we're going to do some seated windshield wipers. Just come to the edge of your seat. Make sure that you're holding on to the sides of your chair, and just rotate your knees from left to right. All right, you have a seat. Scoot back to the back of your chair. And then we're just going to kick our legs straight out in front of us. Now we're loosening up the lower part of our bodies. Just move your shoulders up and down for a little bit. We're coming to an end. And stretch your arms out and give yourself a great big hug for all the hard work that you've done. You have showed up for yourself and you should be proud. And we'll do it again, this time reversing one arm, the opposite arm over the other one. And breathe in and out of your nose. Well, we're done. So take this moment to yourself. We'll end this session the way we started. Take this few moments just for a little meditation and thanking yourself for showing up for yourself. You did an outstanding job and you should be proud of yourself. So if you're doing this workout before, at the start of your day, this will help you meet every challenge that might possibly come your way. You have put yourself first and you're ready to get your day started. Let's take a couple of rounds of deep breathing. Put your hands up over your head. Hands together at your heart. Namaste. Have an awesome day. Take care. And I'll see you in the next video.